As I pray, dear Jesus, hear me. Let your word in me take root. May your spirit ever be near me, that I bear abundant fruit. May I daily sing your praise, from my heart that anthems raise, till my highest praise is given in the endless joy of heaven. Lord, your words are waters living, where I quench my thirsty need. Lord, your words are bread life-giving, on your words my spirit feeds. Lord, your words will be my light through the dark and cold night, but they are my sword prevailing, and my cup of joy unfailing. Speak, O Savior, I am listening, as a servant to his Lord. Let me show respect and honor to your holy, precious word, that each day my whole life through I may serve and follow you. Let your